folks, it's Ben. I'm here beside the garden here. A bunch of kids running around in toys. We're going to be building a pair of raised strawberry gardens. And to do that, we're going to need some wood, primarily pressure treated 2x6s. So in the back, I've got some wood for other projects, but for now we're just focusing in on these strawberry beds. So we're going to be taking these, and the primary plan here, and I'm going to time lapse this so you can kind of follow along, and I'll kind of review at the end, is we're going to be essentially making a 4 foot by 4 foot square. Then we're going to stack another one on it and maybe a third layer that will just contain flowers and like that. We'll fill them with garden clay, so we're close by for that. So where the kids play, that's all clay. So we'll take the sod off, haul that away, take the clay, base fill these up, and then we'll take nice topsoil and put it where the strawberries will be. So we'll go ahead and time lapse that now, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so phase one is done. We did the construction. Hopefully you enjoyed the time lapse that we had there. We didn't have many cats, but we did have a kid running around for a while. So next phase will be for me. We've got to haul dirt. Unfortunately for me, my wheelbarrow is full of trash because it's dump day. So I got to load up the truck with trash. Then we're gonna, like I say, take the dirt here. We'll time lapse that again probably, and we'll fill these up with the awful dirt, and then we'll grab some stuff from the garden and we'll put it in for the strawberries. All right, so we got the dirt in now, as you saw in the time lapse of shoveling it from that hole over there, and then what might not have been on camera is we pulled some out of the garden for this topsoil that we have here. And now we've got some strawberry plants. So here we've got these we purchased from Walmart. Yeah, we're just gonna put a couple in from Walmart. We've got some coming from a garden site not far from here as well. Plus we've got some natural ones that are actually in the corner. Top them off. How many can we hold? 48 or so? So, right?
Yeah.
About 48 or so in the garden. So there you go. Here are our strawberry trellises? No. Raised beds? Strawberry boxes is a good one for it. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. To kind of review quickly, it's 2x6s, 4 foot square. And then smaller sizes. I forget how long that one was, and that one's even smaller, but we ended up using 10 2x6x8s to make a pair of these. The dirt, a couple screws we did. Part I didn't do on camera is we did screw the corners down to each other, so they are technically attached, stacked and attached. But leave any comments, like our videos, and subscribe to our channel, Red Barn Homestead. We're doing a lot of farm stuff right now, so if you guys have any questions on that, or have some suggestions, or want some ideas, just give it a shout out, and we'll catch you later.